Hi, Assalamu alaikum, my lovely friends. How are you all? I guess you all are fine, good, and great here. So, today's video is very special for me because I really love this artwork. So, let's do this. Basically, it's raining in my town today. This weather is really pretty. I love this weather very much. So, I try to paint something that match with this weather. So we need some real examples to make it, and I went out and collected this video. So let's do this. Step number 1. At first I make my background. I use black and dark green color. Blend this color with makeup brush. You will find the names of all the colors in the description box. After complete drying of the background, I will paint the part of the flower with white color. Please note the upper leaves are brighter than the lower leaves. Remember, always use highlight and shadow to make your artwork more realistic. Step number 3, you have to work details to make your artwork more beautiful. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Remember, always use highlight and shadow to make your artwork more realistic. Keep patience. Do it slowly. Take more time to get better results. Now, here is the final look. I guess you all enjoy this video.